Hello everybody, it's your boy Computer Programmer here and welcome back to another programming tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to draw some geometric figures using Python libraries called Total. So with all being said, let's go ahead and start. So now we're ready to start. Let's say we wanna draw a square shape. And this is all the code we need in order to draw a square shape. So let me run it and see what happened. Alright, so now let me quickly explain the code. In order to perform that, we need to use the graphic module called Total. So over here, we're gonna write from the Total library, import all of the functionalities. And here, this is the command. This basically explains what this code does. And here, we need to write the speed like this. Speed. Inside of speed, we put 1. 1 is the speed of the total. We can put anything we want. So let me try to put 10 and run. You see it is going so fast. And over here we have the forward function to tell the total to go forward. And inside of that, we need to put the distance. So we put 200, like 200 meters. And here, right, it tells the total to turn, like right 90 degrees. And then go forward 200, right 90, and so on. And to finish, we need to call this function called done. So that's all we need in order for us to draw a square shape. Now let's go to the next level. So now we're gonna draw a triangle shape, and this is all the code we need in order to do that. I've written all of this code, put it inside of the function called right triangle shape, and then over here I called the function. So now let's run it and see. Alright, you see we have our triangle here. This is kind of similar to the last one. We have nothing to explain. Alright, so now let's say we want to draw a few shapes and put together. And this is all the code we need for that. Let me run it and see. Okay. Wow. Alright, we're done. It is so beautiful. By the way, if you want to try, just let me know in the comment section below. Send me your mail address, so I will send you the code for free, free of charge. And also, you can run this code on any other device. But if you want to run it on your phone, your Android phone, you need to have the PyDroid installed on your phone. And if you don't know how to install it, I've made a video about it and I'll link in the description below so you guys can go and check it out. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have anything to share, leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.